Hello everyone, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video here, I will be showing you how to install TweetTray. So there are a couple ways you can install TweetTray on Linux, and in the article that I wrote, I actually showed you how to build an RPM to install on Fedora and OpenSUSE because the developer actually doesn't do it. And if you are a Fedora or OpenSUSE user, I definitely recommend checking that out. But for everybody else, if you're using a Linux distribution that you don't feel like dealing with Debian packages or RPMs or whatever, you're going to have to do the RPM. You're going to have to do the app image instructions. My bad, I mean app image. But to do that, open up the link in the description. You're going to then launch a terminal window. You're going to copy this wget command right here. Use the wget command, let it download. Scroll down here, and then once the download is done, we will make the app image folder. App images are super useful, especially if you don't feel like building a program and you just want to get the app working. It's also very useful if you're using a distribution that isn't directly supported. Anyways, copy this make dir command, make a new folder, then this one, the TweetTray mv command, which will move the app image file into the app image folder, getting it out of the way. And then you can cd into the app image folder and update the images per the image's permissions, excuse me. And then from there, we can just run the app for the first time. And as we see, it says it was installed. Now TweetTray is right here. Now I can compose a tweet. I actually already have it logged in, so I can tweet on my Twitter account, "Hello, this is TweetTray." And I can tweet directly from my desktop. It's useful if I have a thought and I don't want to open up a web browser, and I will show you what the tweet looks like in a second here. So we see the new tweet that I just composed with TweetTray is right here, and I can do another one if I'd like to. And I can tweet that bad boy out and refresh it. And we see, seriously, I love TweetTray. So that is how you get TweetTray working. If you just want to have a little icon in your system tray where you can quickly compose tweets or whatever's on your mind to your Twitter account, I highly recommend it. More information about this application in the description below. Like I said, I'm actually really proud of this article, more so than other ones that I've written in a while, because with a little bit of a modification of the code, you can build your own RPM file, and the developer does not specify that on the website, and he really should. But all information on that is in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.